Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for PPG Industries. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With its market cap of $31 billion, PPG Industries is a S&P 500 company within the specialty chemicals industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.3%. Earnings growth, 23.6%. Earnings estimates, 16.6%. Return on capital, 12.53%. Debt to free cash flow, 6.47 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.76%. Payout ratio, 33.38%. Growth rate, 7.62%. Growth years, 49 years. That gives PPG Industries 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, PPG Industries is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on PPG Industries in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.